My life with Chris has been full of unexpected surprises.
Another beautiful morning, guys.
I was a police and fire dispatcher for a major city and a 911 operator for several other smaller cities at the same time. Chris was a fire lieutenant and paramedic, and at the time was going through some rough times. He was also the first tactical medic in the U.S. and the world. Yes, he was an integral part of one of the best SWAT teams in existence today. For many years, it was just him providing life-saving care to officers, citizens, and suspects in austere environments and nightmare situations. The city now has 16 fire medics assigned to the team. Tonight is a special night. You see, it's the team's 50-year reunion, and he has been there since shortly after the team was formed.
My 50-year reunion was this last weekend. It's something that's been in the works cooking for a little while. And it's not what you think. It's not a high school reunion, not a college reunion. It's a reunion with a special team. How's your sniffer working, bud? Another beautiful morning, guys. We're headed over to visit Paul and say hello to him. He's on the other side of the park from us. And if Jeff's up, we'll stop by and say hello to him as well. It's been a wonderful day. Got all our exercises out of the way. Rizzy got his workout out of the way. Now we're just going to relax for the rest of the day. I think I've got some errands to run. Got to pick up some medicine for Shelly, and I'm going to get some Pecorino Romano cheese for tonight's dinner. I'll show you a little more of that later on. Today is another beautiful day. Not quite as early as it has been for me, but it's still pretty nice. There's no real wind. We're just kind of taking it easy. Chris and I are heading out on our normal routine, and we're going to go work out. Now, this last week has really been something special for me. My 50-year reunion was this last weekend. It's something that's been in the works cooking for a little while. And it's not what you think. It's not a high school reunion, not a college reunion. It's a reunion with a special team. I hired on with my department back in 1978. Not long after that, I became a medic, and then shortly after that, I had been pushing a dream that I'd had for a long time, and that was to put medics on police tactical units. Safer for the officers, safer for the citizens, and even for the bad guys. And so I started a program that's spread all over the world. We'll have a link up here to my first video, one of my first videos, that describes exactly what I did. So you get a chance to take a look at that. We've been retired, most of us older guys, for quite a while now. And the newer echelon has worked its way in, and they're doing a fantastic job. Night before last, the meeting was a reunion dinner. And I got to see guys that I hadn't seen in ages. It is so amazing to be so tight with such a group of fine, wonderful men and women of the police department that I worked with. A lot of old war stories, a lot of good times that were had, and a lot of tragedies that we talked about. Had a great time, sat with some wonderful people, with my old commander, team commander, and just, I don't know how to explain it. Some of the best, most wonderful people in the world that I have ever worked with in my life. We'll talk more when I'm not getting my arm stretched by Chris. The dinner was excellent. It was put on by East Valley Institute of Technologies. They had a bunch of kids there that were learning culinary school, were going through it. And they worked as servers and cooks and whatever else, and just were fantastic young professional gentlemen and ladies. We spent the first part of the night just kind of getting to know each other again, recognizing faces and trying to put names to them. It's pretty humbling to know that it's been 50 years since the inception of that team. The team was a police SWAT team, and I probably was the first medic attached to a team, definitely for our agency, in the world. The military had done it forever, but civilians just took some time to figure it out. We got a lot of national notoriety, and we got an awful lot throughout the world. For years, we fielded questions about how to do it, how to make it work. We used fire medics, which was what I was, to provide the service to the police department, a brother-sister agency. And that made sure that the medics that were on the team had no degradation of skills. They were out doing their job every day on the fire service, and it required them to maintain a higher standard of physical fitness as well too, so that nobody would slow down the team. The agency that I worked with had unbelievably high standards for this particular team. And there was an awful lot of good that was done by them, saved a lot of lives. We also lost a few people, and that night was all about remembrance, about staying true to our mission and getting everything done. That was a wonderful time. Those were some amazing folks that I had the pleasure of working with. I'm so happy to have gotten to see all of them again. Wonderful experience. Grizz and I are going to be out for a little bit longer. We're going to swing by and see a few more friends here in the park. And then we'll go back and he's going to get a little breakfast. So am I. We'll be working on, I think we're out of sausage, but I have a little bit of corned beef hash that I've been waiting for. So I think he enjoys that too. Shelly and I will be here at this park for another week, and then we're going to be moving on to one of our other backup parks, a very nice, smaller one, with a lot of really good people in it and great administrators there. It's in the Thousand Trails system. It's called Meridian. I'm sure you've seen us there. In the last 2 or 3 years, that's where we floated back and forth from. So, talk to you in a bit. Thank you for coming and watching us right now.
Hello, baby. How you doing?
Fine.
Fine. Grizzy's here with you too.
And baby boy.
Yes. He says I don't like it when my mama doesn't feel good. So, is this your apartment for the evening or what?
Yep.
Did you push the little thing on the top where it shows the here, let me show you. State.
It's on.
Right up. Let me see. It did come up. Somehow it didn't shake his bed. He's a good baby boy. So what are you doing here, honey?
Relaxing.
Some way to relax, huh? Yeah. All that stuff. You're all plugged in. Nice room, though. All to yourself.
Bunny's gonna come in a little bit.
Well, that'll be nice.
Since you're leaving me. I'm taking a video. Hi, baby boy.
I thought I was gonna get home and
If you enjoy our videos, you might consider becoming an insider on Patreon. Well, you'll have early access to our videos without commercial interruption, plus you'll get a great hat to show off your support of OLT.
Like I said, today Grizz and I are cooking up some hash. And a few eggs to go with it. How's your sniffer working, bud?
We love all of our viewers and really do hope that we see you all again back here next and every Sunday at 5 p.m. Arizona time. So please, travel safe.
Riz, come on, good boy.